Okay, so number 54. Uh, so the question is long, so you can read it by yourself. The four shared circle above are congruent and each tangent. And ask about so basically what's the ratio of the regional shade area of figure 4 to the shade to the area of shaded area of figure 1. Shady area. So shady area is a black area. Okay, so hmm. So why not we just first calculate the first shady area? We first calculate this black region, and once we compute this, then I think we can know the answer. Okay, so simple geometry. Okay, we see one region here. Okay. So this is circle inside here. Oh, my drawing is very bad. Okay, suppose this is 1. Okay, so suppose this is 1. Then this is R, and then this is R, and then this is R. So this is R square root of 2. So R plus R square root of 2 is 1. So R is 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So if all the area is 1 is pi, then the shaded area is just 4 times pi times this 1 over square root of R square. So 4 pi square root of R1 square. So from this we know that the black region or the shaded region divided by all circle. The whole circle. Sorry, not all. The whole circle is pi. This is 4 pi 1 over square root square. So this. Okay. So I think this is correct. So this is 4 times square root square. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I think this is correct. Okay, and I ask you about the second shaded to the first shaded. Basically, the second shaded to the first shaded is basically just the same as this ratio, right? Because you just shrink all the first ball to the second, so you just shrink. So basically, they are similar. So the answer is 2 divided by 1 over root square square. So the answer is E. That's it.